Which of the following is the first step in provisioning an Azure AI Search resource? A. Creating an Azure Cognitive Services account. B. Setting up an Azure Storage account. C. Creating an Azure Search service. D. Configuring the search index. The correct answer is C. Creating an Azure Search service. The first step in provisioning an Azure AI Search resource is to create an Azure Search service. This service will host your search indexes and provide the search capabilities. What is the purpose of an index in Azure AI Search? A. To store user authentication details. B. To store and organize searchable content. C. To manage billing and subscription details. D. To configure network security settings. The correct answer is B. To store and organize searchable content. An index in Azure AI Search is used to store and organize searchable content. It defines the structure of the data and how it can be queried. Which of the following is not a supported data source for Azure AI Search? A. Azure SQL Database. B. Azure Blob Storage. Cosmos DB. D. Google Cloud Storage. The correct answer is D. Google Cloud Storage. Google Cloud Storage is not a supported data source for Azure AI Search. Supported data sources include Azure SQL Database, Azure Blob Storage, and Azure Cosmos DB. What is the role of a skill set in Azure AI Search? A. To define the schema of the search index. B. To enhance and transform content during indexing. C. To manage user access and permissions. D. To monitor and log search queries. The correct answer is B. To enhance and transform content during indexing. A skill set in Azure AI Search is used to enhance and transform content during the indexing process. It can include cognitive skills like OCR, entity recognition, and language detection. Which of the following tools can be used to create and manage Azure AI Search indexes? A. Azure Portal. C. Azure PowerShell. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. You can use the Azure Portal, Azure CLI, and Azure PowerShell to create and manage Azure AI Search indexes. Each tool provides different interfaces and capabilities for managing your search resources. How can you secure access to your Azure AI Search service? By using API keys. B. By configuring network security groups. C. By setting up role-based access control back. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Securing access to your Azure AI Search service can be achieved through multiple methods, including using API keys, configuring network security groups, and setting up role-based access control (RBAC).